Good medical morning. These are lipomas. I'm Watson, and today we're going to look at a lot of lipoma removals, so hold on to your hats. Before we get started, can you determine if this clip is a lipoma, cyst, or other skin condition? Let's start with an overview. Lipomas are a fatty lump, most often situated between the skin and the underlying muscle layer. And now for some trivia. How many people are affected by lipomas? Is it 1 in 100, 1 in 1,000, 1 in 10,000, or 1 in 100,000? We'll give you the answer in a moment. Lipomas are slow-growing and usually harmless. Rarely, they can be cancerous, and some people have more than one. Lipomas are just under the skin and move easily when pressure is applied. They commonly occur in the neck, shoulders, back, abdomen, arms, and thighs. Treatment generally isn't necessary, but if the lipoma is bothersome, painful, or growing, surgical removal may be needed.
So now you can see towards the back end here, see there's just that loose attachment mat. That's the back side where you can, that's not lipoma, that's the adhesion or the part of the capsule that's still there. So just clip that out a little bit, and I'm gonna get that out.
And now, the trivia answer. 1 in 1,000 people suffer from lipomas. So it's very common. They're of course not contagious, and the cause is not fully understood. So if you get one, don't worry about it, it's not your fault. Part of my goal with this YouTube channel is to destigmatize various common medical conditions. And millions of people suffer from lipomas. Lovely men and women of all ages and ethnicities are affected by lipomas. People like you and me. Intelligent, vibrant, and wonderful people get lipomas. And it's nothing to be ashamed of. So click like if you support our message to destigmatize medical conditions like this. And also subscribe to our channel if you enjoy it. I personally want to thank every one of you who allow me to make medical videos for you. I hope we all learn and grow together, and thank you so much for your support. Do you find yourself exhausted, lethargic, or just unmotivated? That means you aren't getting the deep, restful sleep you need. It's time to check out Rest More. Rest More is an all-natural herbal supplement designed to maximize your brain's ability to rest. Let's hear from some people like you.
I just had a baby 5 months ago, and I was having a hard time sleeping at night after I had her, obviously, and I tried this Rest More, and I'm sleeping so much better every night.
Doesn't make me feel groggy, fall asleep pretty easy, wake up refreshed, best sleep I ever had. Amazing, I would refer it to anybody.
Tried this for a month and it works great. I got a full night of sleep, wake up feeling nice and well rested, and now I can finally get to bed on time and have a full night of sleep.
What's better, Rest More is available on Amazon. So click the link right now in the description below. Order a bottle today and start getting the best sleep of your life.